Hello health enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about an important topic that often goes overlooked: maintaining a healthy prostate naturally. As we age, it's crucial to take care of our prostate to prevent potential health issues down the road. So, let's dive in and learn some easy and effective ways to keep our prostate in optimal shape. Let's get started. Before we jump into the natural ways to maintain a healthy prostate, let's quickly understand what the prostate is and its role in our body. The prostate is a small gland that's part of the male reproductive system and is located just below the bladder. Its primary function is to produce and secrete seminal fluid, which nourishes and protects sperm. Now, let's move on to our first tip. Tip number 1. Eat a prostate-friendly diet. A healthy diet rich in fruits and vegetables can significantly benefit your prostate health. Foods like tomatoes, broccoli, avocados, and berries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can help reduce inflammation and support prostate health. Including these in your daily diet can be an easy and delicious way to promote a healthy prostate naturally. Tip number 2. Stay physically active. Regular exercise is not only beneficial for your overall health, but also plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy prostate. Studies have shown that men who engage in regular physical activity, such as brisk walking, jogging, or weightlifting, have a lower risk of developing prostate problems. So, make sure to stay active and incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Tip number 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day is essential for maintaining prostate health. Staying hydrated can help flush out toxins from your body and keep your urinary system functioning properly. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily, and if possible, opt for pure filtered water to avoid any potential contaminants. Tip number 4. Manage stress. Chronic stress can take a toll on your overall health, including your prostate health. High levels of stress can increase inflammation in the body, weaken the immune system, and impact hormonal balance, which can affect your prostate health. Finding healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in hobbies, can be beneficial for your prostate health and overall well-being. Tip number 5. Limit alcohol and caffeine intake. While enjoying an occasional glass of wine or cup of coffee is okay, excessive consumption of alcohol and caffeine can negatively impact your prostate health. Both alcohol and caffeine can irritate the bladder and prostate, leading to increased urinary frequency and discomfort. So, it's essential to consume them in moderation to promote a healthy prostate naturally. Tip number 6. Consider natural supplements. There are several natural supplements available in the market that can support prostate health. Supplements such as saw palmetto, pygem, and stinging nettle have been known to have beneficial effects on prostate health. However, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider before taking any new supplements to ensure they are safe and suitable for your individual needs. Tip number 7. Get regular checkups. Last but not least, make sure to schedule regular checkups with your healthcare provider. Prostate health screenings, such as a prostate-specific antigen (PSA) blood test, can help detect any potential issues early on, allowing for prompt intervention and management. Early detection is key in maintaining a healthy prostate, so don't skip those important checkups. Tip number 8. Consider natural prostate health supplements. Along with a healthy diet and lifestyle, natural supplements specifically formulated for prostate health can be a valuable addition to your routine. Look for supplements that contain ingredients like saw palmetto, beta-sitosterol, and lycopene, which have been shown to support prostate health. However, always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. If you're interested in incorporating a natural prostate health supplement into your routine, we have a special offer for our viewers. Click the link in the description box below to learn more about the natural prostate health supplement we recommend and take advantage of an exclusive discount. Remember, always prioritize your prostate health. To sum it up, along with a healthy diet, exercise, hydration, stress management, and limiting alcohol and caffeine intake, considering natural prostate health supplements can be a beneficial step towards maintaining a healthy prostate naturally. Just make sure to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Thank you for joining us today to learn about how to have a healthy prostate naturally. By following these tips, you can take charge of your prostate health and overall well-being. Don't forget to click the link in the description box below to learn more about the natural prostate health supplement we recommend. Remember, your prostate health matters, so take care of yourself. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching the whole video. Do check links in description on how this health supplement works. Also do check topic suggestions at the end of the video.